Okay, the metric distance conversion with decimal values. This is a metric conversion chart right here. Now, if you go down a conversion chart, you literally divide. However, when you're dividing with decimals, you move the decimal point to the left. If you go up, you're going to move the decimal point to the right. And you can kind of remember that. Just think of a number line. Any numbers getting smaller or left, any numbers getting larger or to the right. The tree in Ryan's backyard is 6.9 meters high. How high is it in centimeters? So we are going from meters to centimeters. We are going up. So since we're going up, centa means 100. And see how that has 2 zeros? 100 has 2 zeros. That tells you how many spaces to move it to the right. So I'm going to move it to the right 2 spaces, and any holes get a 0. So we're talking about 690 centimeters for 6.9 meters. Diana's on the swim team. Each day she swims 900 meters. How many kilometers does she swim? So we're going from meters to kilometers. So we're going to divide. Kilometers, the kilo means 1,000. Since we're going down, we're going to move the decimal to the left. And because it has 3 zeros in 1,000, we move it to the left 3. Now, if there are no decimals in the original number, it's assumed to be at the end. So I'm going to start at the end and move to the left 3. 1, 2, 3. So my new decimal is going to be where my X is. So 0.9. Any zeros on the end, you can take those off. But I do, if you don't have a number in front of the decimal, I do like to put a leading 0. So 0.9, and it's talking about kilometers. During a huge snowstorm in the White Mountains last year, it snowed 65.5 centimeters in one day. How much did it snow in meters? So we're going centimeters to meters. So again, centa means 100. And since we're going down, we're going to divide. So we're going to move to the left. And because 100 has 2 zeros, I'm going to move to the left 2 spaces. That's my new decimal point. So 0.655, and then because there's no number in front of the decimal, I'll put a leading 0 out there, and that's meters.